Okay, now today I have all of these circuit breaker switches here to scrap. These are pretty easy to scrap. You just hit them with a hammer, they come right apart. Well, I was trying to think of a way to scrap them even faster. And then I was looking at my little white steel drum here, and I was looking at my homemade tool, just a 15-pound weight on the end of a pipe. And I figured, let's try smashing them all at the same time. Oh, just drop them all in the barrel. Put them all in all at once. And smash them with my 15-pound smasher. That was fun. And now I just dump it out on my workbench. Now I just got to pick through. Look at that, copper bearing. Little piece of brass right here. And that's not copper bearing, that's number 2 copper. Another little piece of brass there. Some plastic. Look at that, that cut my time in half. Number 2 copper. Some more brass. I got a feeling I'm going to be using that more often. What is this? I'll call it copper bearing. The goofs will buy these for copper bearing. I know they will. They're idiots. Yeah, that worked out pretty good. Alright, I'm going to pick through all this. It'll take a few minutes. I'm going to do some piles. I'll see you in a minute. That wasn't that bad. I got about a pound, maybe a little more than a pound of brass. Got about half a pound, 3/4 of a pound of copper. Got a few grams of aluminum. And a bunch of nails and, a bunch of tin. I'm going to call this copper bearing, even though it's dirty brass. Copper bearing's worth more. They'll buy it like that because they're idiots. But hey, that was pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.